Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. In the Gospel of Mark, we read the story of Jesus and his healing of a paralytic. Jesus is in someone's home and he's preaching to a crowd, and there's so many people in the house that 4 men have to lower the paralytic through a hole in the roof. And when Jesus encounters the man, this is what he says: "Child, your sins are forgiven." Now immediately the authorities challenge Jesus because they say that only God has the power to forgive sins. Jesus answers them right back and says, "Why do you question like this in your hearts? Which is easier, to say to the paralytic, 'Your sins are forgiven,' or to say, 'Rise, take up your pallet and walk'?" And so then, to show the authorities the power that he has, Jesus says to the man, "Take up your pallet and walk," and immediately he does, and everyone is astonished. Healing, as you know, is an important part of Jesus' ministry, and there are many stories of healing in the Gospels. The point that I want to make is that Jesus, when he healed, and the point is made by the Gospel writers, Jesus uses the power of God, and he uses it to heal, not to hurt or to divide. And so my question for today is, who is it in your family with whom you need to be healed? Who is it in your neighborhood? Who is it at your place of work that needs healing from you? There's a lot of division and animosity in society these days. What can we do to try to heal those divisions and to bring people together? When we heal, when we are uniters, when we try to bring healing to this broken world, we too, just like Jesus, are using the power of God. And so that's both a challenge and a great comfort to us to know that we possess God's power to heal, but it's a challenge in that we are called to use that power in the right way. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.